So today in this video we're gonna discuss about the Oppo Find X9 Pro. Start with the display size. This mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of Full HD plus resolution LTPO AMOLED Dolby Vision supported 120Hz refresh rate display, and this display is going to comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. When we talk about this mobile's processor, this mobile is coming with MediaTek Dimensity 9500, which is a 3nm based octa-core 5G processor. Now, when we talk about 5G, we need to know about the 5G bands, right? So this mobile is going to comes with 17 plus 5G bands in India. And when we talk about this mobile's availability, this mobile is available in different variants like 12GB RAM, 256, 12GB RAM, 512GB and 16GB of RAM and 1TB of internal storage. Now these are going to be UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAM types. When we talk about this mobile's camera, we all know that Oppo Find series is made for the cameras. When we talk about this mobile's cameras, this mobile comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with f1.5 aperture, and it is an optical image stabilization camera supported camera, and it also comes with a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle f2.0 aperture camera, and this mobile comes with a 200 megapixels of telephoto periscopic zoom camera with f2.5 aperture. So with these mobiles back cameras, we can these cameras lets the light flow into the lens of this camera a lot, so we can get a better picture with this mobile. Now with these mobiles back cameras, you can shoot up to 8K 60 4K 60 fps, but unfortunately there is no 8K obviously. And for the front also, it comes with a 50 megapixels of front facing wide angle selfie camera. We can also shoot up to 4K 60 fps. So when we talk about this mobile's battery, this is a insane amount of battery for a mobile like Oppo. So probably this is going to be the first mobile which comes with a huge battery size, that is 7500 milliamperes of battery, and it does support just 80 watts of fast charge through wire and a 50 watts of wireless and 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. When we talk about this mobile's multimedia, this mobile comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack like all the mobiles, and also this mobile is going to comes with the, when you talk about the connectivity, this mobile going to comes with the Wi-Fi 7 tri-band phase support and Bluetooth 6.0 and NFC, which are the latest features. And when we talk about this mobile's operating system, this mobile out of the box comes with the Android version 16 with the Oxygen Color OS 16. And this mobile is going to, when we talk about the build quality, this mobile is going to comes with the metal frame and front and back glasses. So these are the main features of this mobile. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like it comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and for the charging port it comes with the USB Type-C Gen 3.2, so you can also connect Elgato and streaming devices like that. When we talk about this mobile's protectivity, that this mobile is going to come with the IP68 and 69 water and dust resistance proofs, and this mobile also going to comes in different color variants. Those are, I will leave the colors in the description box down below with the other videos of my channel links, along with a buying link for this mobile. You can go and directly check it out from there. And when we talk about this mobile's box contents, this mobile is going to come with a charger, cable, TPU case, and also SIM ejector tool and a quick start guide or something like that included in the box of this mobile. So combinedly, this mobile is going to be a better performing mobile if you are an Oppo mobile lover. And this mobile is released on India. When we talk about this mobile's price, this is the major thing which we need to know, that this mobile comes with a lot of power packing features like a processor, camera and battery, and the display obviously. When we talk about this mobile's pricing, like this mobile comes with a price tag of 74,999, almost 75,000 rupees for the base variant. So it can go all the way up to 1 lakh based on the variant. So subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if you like this video, and for more videos, share.